Assalamu alaikum. This is Tania Islam, English language teacher of Navashan Model School. Today I come towards you with an online class. Welcome to our online class.
Hello, my dear Shona Pakira. How are you? Hope all of you are well. Today we will learn about the use of capital, small, and full stop. Let's start. Open your Lexis Smart Grammar book, page 28. The chapter's name is Capital and Small Letters. We know that in English, 26 and English has 26 letters and it's called alphabet, right? Yes. In writing English, we follow two patterns. Look at the charts. There are two charts. One is capital letters and other is small letters. Now, we will learn the use of them. Look, here are some rules. The use of capital letters. Now we read the rules, okay? Number 1. Names always begin with a capital letter. Names always begin with a capital letter. Such as Jia, only the first letter is capital. All the other letters are small letters. Number 2. Surname begins with a capital letter. Such as Said, only the first letter is capital and all the other letters are small. Look, here some exercise for you. Please do this in your book at home without your parents' help, as it is your SW. Okay? Okay. Go to the next page, page 29. Rules number 3. Names of places begin with a capital letter. Names of places begin with a capital letter, like as Jasser, Dhaka, Kumilla. Only the first letter is capital. All the other letters are small letters. Here also some exercise. Okay, number 4. Rules number 4. Names of days of the week begin with a capital letter. Names of days of the week begin with a capital letter, such as Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, etc. etc. Only the first letter is capital and all the other letters are small letters. Rules number 5. Names of months. Names of months begin with a capital letter. May, June, July, January. Only the first letter is capital. All the other letters should be small. Rules number 6. Names of holidays also begin with a capital letter. Names of holidays also begin with a capital letter, such as Victory Day, Independence Day, like that. Look, here also the first letter is capital and all the other letters are small. Rules number 7. A sentence also begins with a capital letter. A sentence also begins with a capital letter. I am 6 years old. I live in Dhaka, like that. Only the first letter is capital and all the other letters are small letters. Look, here also some exercise for you. Please do this. Now go to the next page, page number 31. Here we can see the chapter's name is full stops. Full stops. Okay. Here are some sentences. Let's read the sentence. Sarah Green has a brown dog. I live in Dhaka. My name is Nahid. We are going for a movie. The farmer planted some seeds. Look, here 5 sentences, and every sentence starts with a capital letter, and every sentence has and in the end of the sentences has a dot. This dot has a name, and this dot is called a full stop. These all are sentences. Note that we have begun each sentence with a capital letter and have ended them with a small dot, and this dot is called full stop. Okay, now let's solve our sheet. Please open your sheet and sheet page number 4. The use of capital letters. The use of capital letters and full stop. Look, here some sentences. Now we solve the sentences. Number A, the cow gives us milk. Look, here T is right in small letters, but we have to use here capital letter, as it is a sentence, and a sentence begins with always capital letter, and at the end of the sentence we have to use a full stop. Okay, like as number B, H must be a capital letter, and after the office we have used a dot. Number C, I should be capital, and after today we should be use dot. Number D, Ria, as it is a name, so we have to use the R in capital form, and at the end of the sentence we should use a full stop. Like number E, my, M is capital, and after today full stop. Number F, we, W should be capital, and after computer we should use a dot. Number G, I should be in capital letter, and after every day we should use a dot. Number H, look here, Dhaka is a crowded city. Dhaka is a name of a city, so it is a name, and at the same time it is a sentence, so we must be used in capital letter. We must write D in capital form, and after the city we must use a dot. Number I, here is black, H in capital, and after black dot. Number J, mother loves me much, mother, M write in capital letter, and after much we should be used dot. Number K, my mother's name is Salma Alam. Look here, it is a sentence, so this M should be write in capital letter, and my mother's name is Salma Alam. Look carefully, Salma is a name, so Salma's S should be write in capital letter, and at the same time Alam is a surname. Here also we use a capital letter, and after Alam we should be use a dot. Number L, I sat beside Rihanna, as this is a sentence, so I should be used in capital letter, and Rihanna, as it is a name, so we must use R in capital form, and after Rihanna we should use a dot. Number M, Hilsha fish is very tasty. Look, Hilsha is the name of a fish, so we write and at the same time it is a beginning of the sentence, so we write the H in capital form, and after the tasty we use a dot. January is the first month of the year. Look, January is the name of a month as we read this, so we must use J as in capital form, and after the year we must use a dot. Number O, the spider has 8 legs. The spider has 8 legs, as it is a sentence, so the T must be right in capital form, and after the legs we must use a dot. Okay, to the end of our learning, we will learn more in our next online class. Bye bye Babura, Allah Hafiz.